Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the press. So I've been asked to show you this document. I think there's been, my office and government has been, I think, being very transparent about this from the past in terms of how we've dealt with public and the media. So this is the sum of the work of the National Security and Defense Review Committee. And Mr. Sandy is the leader of the team. In that last presentation, you all heard about, the major recommendations about what this report is suggesting. So essentially, apart from the major observations, one of the biggest, perhaps, observation that came out of this report is how to build trust. Trust between the Fijian people and the people that are supposed to serve them. That includes all national institutions, including Parliament, the executive government, the security forces, and everyone, which looks at national security as a national issue. That is what this report covers. So only a very small segment of this report touches our services in the uniform divisions, primarily the RSMF and the police. Even though they are significant, but you heard this morning, the non-traditional sectors of threat to our nation is what's dictating, the security play, not only of the region, but of the world today. So this is what the report is about. It talks about the way forward, which is the national security strategy, and that is going to be derived starting with this process. And also, there is an interagency committee, which includes essentially the more important people who need to be there to make sure to put together the strategy as has been described to us, the way forward and how to implement this and make it work. So to conclude on this thing is, you heard Professor Satish. He said this report will be useless if it goes to sit on the shelf, because there have been so many other reports that have been written in the past. Exercises done in futility because they were never resourced or there was not the political will to implement it. So that is the challenge for Fiji and the government, to make sure we have a report here that includes, has come through the consultations with many of those that are here, which is a representative of Fiji society at large, and it will be a pity if we do not implement it. And it is really my role as the lead agency of government to make sure that this works for the betterment of Fiji, and something we can hand over to whoever is going to be the next government in, a year and a half or two.